All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Hbar family. Appreciate you guys as always. But yeah, let's waste no more time and take a look at what's happening with Hbar's price right now. And yeah, what we could be expecting going into Wednesday morning. So, it has been quite an interesting, start of the week. I still cannot believe, we're actually going so fast in time, and, literally we are approaching February 5th, and it seems like yesterday that the year of 2025 started. But yeah, if you're looking across the board, especially over the last 24 hours, we're seeing, quite a bit of green actually for the broader market. And, this green overall, momentum changed, I would say, over the last 4 hours. If you're looking at the last 1 hour, you can see, the market is, quite green yet again. But, we have been noticing, a lot, and I repeat, a lot of volatility recently for the crypto markets. So, obviously those are some factors we need to keep in mind. But HBAR is priced right now 25.3 cents, down 0.1% in USD. We're up 1.5% in Bitcoin compared with the valuation sitting right below 10 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $600 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening with the price. So as far as the dominance is concerned, this is really causing quite a bit of volatility within the crypto markets. Believe it or not, you are seeing dominance pretty much going down to the likes of 61%, and wicks up to the likes of 62. And we have seen these massive swings for the dominance over the last few hours a few times, pretty much after we broke out, saw that high after about 4 years in terms of the dominance at 64.29%. Since then, it's still ranging above 61%, and we are seeing swings of about 1%. And again, that does impact altcoin market, believe it or not. But if you're looking at BTC right now, and I want you guys to take a look at Bitcoin on the hourly time frame. You're looking at BTC making its way down to $96,168. If you watch my XCN update, you guys know about that. But right now, as of recording this update, you can see this for yourself. The price of Bitcoin is sitting just briefly, and I mean just briefly above this key resistance, which of course was a major support that I've been talking about quite a bit, around the $97,729 mark. And right now, as of recording this update, Bitcoin is sitting just above that. Which of course, in return caused the dominance to pull down from the likes of 61.6%, and that's really pushing the altcoins up. And that, if you're looking across the board over the last 1 hour, that explains why we're seeing quite a bit of green as of now. But are we out of the woods just yet? We need confirmation. It's simple as that. You need confirmation, and for BTC, Bitcoin price needs to stay above $98,000. If it's unable to do that, I still believe the 23.6 fib support and 92.6 is still on the table. But with that said, let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening with HBAR's price. So if you're looking at the bigger picture for HBAR this time around, I'd really want you guys to kind of take a look at, what happened historically. And, people are so fast to forget, in the last cycle, back in March, you can see, HBAR's price consolidated and retested about retraced about 65%. Right now, if you're looking at it from, this year's perspective, you can see this for yourself. From that 40 cents price point, we have retraced about 53.6%. Are we about to see a retest going a little lower, maybe down to the likes of 15.4 cents, or possibly even pushing down to the likes of, the 14 cents? This mark right here, this 15 cents price point is extremely important support. The reason why I say that is because even in the last bull cycle, you saw HBAR run up to the 23.6, which was its all-time high then, and we retested this exact same 15.46 support, and then obviously consolidated here a little bit, and broke out towards our all-time high. So right now, could we see something similar, maybe a retest down to the 15.46 cents for the first time pretty much in about 2.5 months? Yes, that is a possibility still on the table. It is not a small move though. It's a 40% drop for HBAR. What would that mean? That would mean for the price of Bitcoin to drop below the 23.6. I think that's the confirmation. You guys know we look for confirmations, and I've been getting a lot of these comments coming in whether or not HBAR could potentially retest that 15.4 cent support. If Bitcoin breaks below this long consolidated support of the 23.6, I think we could actually make our ways down, to some of these lower levels for the first time in about a few months, which of course will be quite bearish for the markets. And this will obviously cause altcoins to go down. But we're hearing a lot of good things happening for crypto, major developments coming out, a lot of executive orders that can impact crypto potentially in a positive way. So, those are some factors that, we need to obviously be considering. This is the worst case scenario that I'm talking about. If we do hear more things about tariffs right now, they are paused, but, people need to remember they're just paused. And of course, we heard some news from China as well, about like 24 hours back. Obviously we need to kind of, monitor this to really understand how that goes. But as of now, as far as the HBAR price is concerned, on the hourly time frame, from the closer time scale, let's take a look at it. So if you're looking at HBAR's price on the hourly time frame, we are not looking as bad as you might think. But yet again, your boy CryptoZX has been highlighting to you guys the importance of that key resistance, the 27 cents. Pretty much simple as that. Obviously, we were retesting above there yesterday. We almost retested it this time around, but never managed to, wick exactly at that range. But of course, we need to be keeping the BTC price point in consideration as well. Bitcoin saw a little bit of a minor pullback, which of course in return has caused HBAR to, retest. But so far so good, considering how much it's up over the last 2 months. Nice consolidation still. And let's see what happens. Really, really important to reclaim above 27 cents though, in order for us to, start heading back up to, some of these levels we haven't seen for about like 2.5 weeks. So one step at a time, of course. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. Let me know your thoughts down below regarding HBAR. We'll see you later in CryptoZX, and peace out.